Welcome back, everyone. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had some great holidays. We are back. What am I doing again? No idea. Oh, right. We were in front of the fire team starbase. Preferably not. I've decided that rather than going in looking up anything, I'm just going to go in blind to whatever. So, we're going to go and hunt down another Titan. Yes, we're going to go and hunt down the bird. The flying Titan. Oh, geez, there are Pokemon everywhere. Oh, Psych Lizard trying to outspeed my legendary lizard. Alright. Let me check my map. There we go. So we're all the way over here. We need to be all the way over here. So let's go all the way over there. This is also good because we could use some upgrades for our motorcycle lizard. Alright. So... Oh, hello, what's this? Nimble. I'm not gonna lie, I have a few... Like, I want to do some more best ofs. I'm probably not gonna do one for the whole year, but I definitely want to do one for my 1,000 Year Door playthrough, and obviously Mario Party when that's done. So, I'm not making any promises as usual, because again, I don't have time. I don't have all the time in the world I wish I had. So, but I will hopefully try to chip away at something like that. That was a regular fiddle. All right, this is where we need to be. That bird's dropping rocks. So we scale a mountain, and we tell this bird, gently with force, to stop throwing these clay-looking rock circles. Oh, and they don't apparently do much if they actually hit you. Ow. Ow! Sir, or ma'am, whatever you prefer to be, please stop throwing rocks. Bombardier. Bombardier. I don't know. Someone said Bombardier, I say Bombardier. Stork. Stonk. Alright. This is a dark flying type if I'm correct. And I'm a fighting type. Oh, Nelly. This thing shouldn't have Fury Cutter. Hit me with a dark type move, not that one. Please do not do that. Alright, fine. I don't have anything that... Right. My entire team's going to be weak to dark. Well, I at least resist flying. Oh, I'm missing the days when steel resisted dark. My whole outfit looks blue. Yes, what's that damage? What's that? What's that? Damage? Never heard of it. Here, do this. While I heal up Ephraim. Ephraim's kind of like the ace in the hole right now. When you're the only one fully evolved and, well, one of two Pokemon fully evolved and you have a bonkers moveset, yeah, you're probably going to be leaned on a little bit. Go on, bird, do it. Bingo. That did some damage. Do it again. There we go, now we're making some progress. Oh, that did a decent amount. We could do that again, except we're not going to do... Oh, wait. No, we can do it again. Nice. Still alive, still kicking. Bird up. Also, EXP, hello? I did work here. My Bronzor would like some EXP. You're a little behind on your reaction there. Hello, Arvin. How's it going? Yes. Oh yeah, let's do this. Alright, Bird. Your days are numbered. Alright, Ephraim. We got it this time. You're trying to reason with a giant bird. Okay, that's good. Keep it distracted while I build up 160 base power. Ooh, look at that. Nice going. Good job. We got this. Oh yeah, keep it distracted. Oh, that was a crit. Maybe not that distracted. There we go. Okay, hit him with a... Yes! Look at this teamwork. Me and Arvin are in sync. Me and Arvin cleaned up. Like, easy. Arvin's the best. Arvin is, like, the best of the, of my friends. Like, I'm sorry, Nimona. Arvin's worth that. Hey, yo, let's go. Arvin's a champ. I guess I can stand to make one friend, Violet says, as she has no friends. When you spend all your time bullying people, you don't have friends. Violet has, let's see, prey, rivals, enemies. Not very many friends, though. I knew it. I knew it. Herba Mystica. A rare herb that we can only get from raids. The bitter Herba Mystica, eh? Is it sandwich time? Whip something up so I can take a picture of our success. Bob's your uncle. Actually, no, Rob was my uncle. That kind of doesn't look all that appetizing based on our facial reactions, but hey, you do you, man. Woo. Sniff. Well, unfortunately, I don't have much of a choice. Sure thing, buddy. Now we should be able to jump higher and get that item that has been taunting me. No, I can move across water now. Wait a minute. Huh? remember that being the second one I got. Is this the second Titan I fought? I'm drawing a blank. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure this is... I don't even remember what order I fought them in my original file, but I have a feeling... Whoa. Yes. Arvin's gonna give some backstory now. This is I think this is exactly the turning point for a lot of people on Arvin. Arvin's partner is a Mabostif. Mabostif? I think it's Mabostif. Poor doggo. Look at Big Pupper. Pupper is sick. Hurt. Potion. Have you tried a Pokemon Center? Yeah, I think I have to be the snappy kind of person. Not a regular injury or anything. He cares so much about his buddy, and that's what I love about him. It's the Violet book. Yeah, Arvin's like a really good character. He's a little bit, I guess, prickly at first, but he's doing this all for his partner Pokemon, and honestly, once you, like, as you work with him, he does really get friendly towards you. It says a lot, because Violet's not supposed to have any friends. Oh, big boy, look at him. Oh, Mabostif is such a good Pokemon, though. Alright. Well, now we can go on water, which means no more worrying about drowning. Which is, honestly, for my standards, pretty damn good. Unfortunately, I still can't get that item. Are you smiling? What the hell is this? You look pretty... She looks so smug. Man. Oh, man. I swear I do too good on some of my avatars. Like, this is... like I've had... Ever since X and Y when... Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I think I know where I'm gonna get the ability to jump higher. But for now, as I was saying, ever since Gen 6, when like customizable avatars were introduced, but by and far still one of, I believe, the best additions they've ever made. Gens 7 through I've had so much fun with my avatars in Gen 7 through 9 now. I'll admit, a grand majority of them, like pretty much all of them, like I feel like I'm just good with my female avatars, really. Because I made, in my Gen 7, I made my avatar look almost identical to my character Stacy, which was honestly a dead ringer even for the outfit. Like, it had almost everything I needed. Gen 7 was pretty, or Gen 8 was pretty fun. I believe my avatar looked pretty good, too. But I did, like, in Gen 8, instead of choosing the male avatar, I chose the female for my main playthrough because I thought it would be... Like, I was choosing Grookey as my starter, and I wanted to do something different. But I also did do the male avatar for the channel playthrough, so it still turned out pretty good. And this one... Well, unfortunately, this one, I feel like Gen 9 doesn't give you the options I wish you had. Like, you have to wear a school uniform the entire time. It's kind of boring. But my avatar looks pretty good. Even if he does actually look like a 6-year-old this time. Or a 10-year-old, I guess. What's this? I have a feeling this is a ghost type raid. Oh, it's a Char Cadet. I'm not gonna fight it though, because I don't really need to. Great, can't jump. Alright, so I guess we're gonna head. Okay, you know what? I need to figure out what should we do next. Do I think we could take on another? Because the next Titan I'm thinking of is the Steel type Titan. And, well, I mean, I have 2 options for Steel. Like, Ephraim and Seth would be good options because fighting and fire both beat Steel. You know what? Let's actually go this way. As if I'm correct, the 3rd gym leader would either be Iona, I think that's her name, I think it's an I, not an L. Iona or Kofu, I believe his name is? The water type guy, the guy we still have his wallet. Actually, you know what? Let's go hunt Kofu down. I believe that's his name. I'm gonna go with that until I get corrected. Because if I'm correct, we can get a Girafarig along the way, and I would love to use Furgaraf for my team. Like, I'm probably gonna replace Monkey with a Girafarig, because, like, honestly, I would love to use Furgaraf. Alright, jumping down. We don't take elevators. Let's see, where is... We need to... Oh! Okay. That's the ground type Titan. We're not gonna go there. We need to go down here. Kofu, that is his name. Perfect. And while we're at it, strength little. Assuming that we can. Right, okay, so maybe not a good idea to engage many Cacnea because they probably have payback. Or, whatever that other move is. Well, I mean, that's what I evolve into, but I'm not going to engage that. I would rather evolve my own Flittle. Caspa Kit, that's what I want to look for. But I also know I can... Ooh, there's one. I can find Phalanx in those ruins, so maybe I can do that too. That would be good. Because at least I can beat that. Okay, level 24. Let's see if we can beat this. Not bad, not bad. And that's probably going to... Yeah, if that hits enough time, that's going to probably kill me. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Okay. Let's still get the HP and not die. Seth, go out there. You're capable for this. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What was that? Was that supposed to be damage? Let me show you how damage is done, boy. Yeah, my team is still not exactly at a good level for this. Alright. Bronzor. Oh, there are a lot of Ghastly here. Would rather not engage those. Phalanx, that's what I'm looking for. I have a distinct advantage against you. Oh, and that's a gimme ghoul in there. Level 24. Let's start by lowering its attack, because I would rather not take some damage. Or not too much damage. The Tinka Tough over there. Okay, good to see that that really helped. Fine. Let's try Erica, because she also needs to evolve into a Gardevoir eventually. Battle armor. If I'm correct, that prevents crits, right? Oh. Well, there goes that. Can I be faster? No? Okay. That's fine, too. Bulk up in my face a little more, why don't you? Now eat this. Defense boost? I can't hear you. Okay, that's fine. Even with your attack buffs, that's doing nothing. Now my defense fell. Well, that's fine. Your HP is gonna fall. Bulk up in my face again, I dare you. Oh, that's... I'm not entirely sure if that's any better, but I don't think... Well, no, it doesn't matter, because you're dead. Go down. Get some EXP, baby. Let's go. Erica wants to learn Life Dew. Yes, absolutely. I would like to learn that. Get rid of confusion, because Life Dew would be useful for recovery. If I was actually playing a game where I was trying to catch Pokemon, I would learn False Swipe, but no. No, screw Hypnosis. Alright. Oh, that's it for this episode. Tune in next time where we go and hunt down Kofu and maybe a Giraffe Egg. I will see you guys then.